In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Facebook page to your Wix website. This quick and easy process will help you integrate your social media presence with your website, boosting your online visibility. So let's dive right into it. First, you need to navigate to the Wix website editor. This is the main interface where you'll be able to make all the necessary changes to your site. Once you're in the editor, look around for the settings option. This is typically located in a sidebar or drop-down menu, depending on your layout settings. Clicking on settings will bring up a menu where you can configure various elements of your site, including your social media integration. Now inside the settings menu, you'll want to find and click on social share. This section is dedicated to connecting your website with your various social media profiles. By enabling this, your visitors can quickly access your social media pages directly from your website, making it easy for them to see your latest posts and engage with your content in more than one place. After clicking social share, you'll need to paste your Facebook profile URL into the designated field. This is usually labeled clearly so you'll know exactly where to paste it. Make sure that the URL is correct and fully copied from your browser's address bar. This ensures that your website visitors are redirected to the right Facebook page. Next, you'll see a plus icon, which is essential for adding new elements to your website. Clicking this icon will open a myriad of options, from basic elements like text and images to more complex widgets and apps. For this task, we're going to focus on incorporating social media options. So next you'll want to click on Social. Inside the Social section, you'll see several options, among which is Facebook. Select this option as it will allow you to add Facebook-specific elements to your site. These could be in the form of a like button, a page widget, or other interactive components that encourage users to visit your Facebook page. After selecting Facebook, you'll be presented with a range of templates. These templates are pre-designed elements that you can choose from, ranging from simple icons to detailed widgets. Take a moment to preview these options and select the template that best fits the design and functionality of your website. And there you have it, you've successfully added your Facebook page to your Wix website. By integrating Facebook, you not only encourage more engagement with your audience, but also enhance the overall connectivity of your online presence. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tips and tricks to optimize your website. Have a great day.